And welcome back to the amazing session where I will be letting you know people how can you score 40 out of 40. Yes, my dear most children, the way you have done all kind of grammar, language paper, excellent. Similarly, I told about the extract question you have to read, MOV and direct copy, cut, copy, paste question gonna come. It was a confirm. And similarly, I cannot say almost, I cannot say few, I cannot say a lot, I can say almost what I can say. Every question was there in case of history and civics, whichever I told. Similarly, in case of geography, yes, my dear most children, in case of geography, I was really disappointed. I could not make a lots of video regarding it, but I have given lots of important questions in case of Telegram as well as WhatsApp. I was updated regarding it. Coming to the Hindi, I hope Hindi paper was almost well and good. And my dear most people, again I am back while taking the physics where people can score 40 out of 40. मैं तुम्हें बोर्ड एग्जाम में 40 से 40 लाकर दिखाऊंगा. It's an open challenge, people. 40 out of 40, you people will be scoring, and how you will be scoring, which I will be letting you know, which I will be letting you do each and every session, marathon session we will be doing. We will be doing every session. If you are having any kind of queries regarding calorimetry, I will be bringing the lecture of calorimetry, radioactivity, डाला हुआ हूँ lecture of EMI, electromagnetic induction. Even I have put the lecture of electricity, entire everything which you will be getting in case of description box. My dear most children, tomorrow, that is Saturday, I am going to take one of the finest session, I mean 7th of May, I am going to take one of the marathon session in case of Unacademy 2022 at 1 p.m. sharp. People, I will be taking the marathon session at 1 p.m. sharp in case of Unacademy. For more details, the link has been given in the description box. People, do not forget to join the Telegram. Do not forget to join the Telegram as well as Unacademy, as I will be letting you know all kind of important questions, PYQs, even the question which will be coming in the examination hall and many more. And you can join the particular link if you are new to the platform. You can join the particular link by applying the code MALLICK Malik 10. This is my referral code. You can join the session with applying my code, that is none other than MALLICK Malik 10, and also you can get the subscription. You can share the same where you people can get flat 10 to 20% of people. Clear everything, and let us remain stick to the topic. How can you score 40 out of 40 in case of physics? People, guarantee you people can score 40 out of 40 in physics. First and foremost priority, you have to give all kind of exercise question, and I can guarantee you many people are going on practicing Gonzalo Selena book. Am I right? People, remember, it's a history, it's been a tradition, it's been a trending every year. You can ask your brother and sister, as I say everything, as I say always, the tagline of SRM sir, which is textbook is Bible. If you want to score 40 out of 40, first you have to go with the textbook. Now many people might be saying, sir, textbook to bahut sara padhna hai. Nahi people, you have to read only and only exercise question to score 40 out of 40. Now you people might be thinking, sir, we can score, we have to read exercise question of Constance Selina, but we are following other book. If you are following other book, you have to follow the same exercise question. If you are somehow following Constance Selina, people, now you might be thinking, sir, we don't have answer of the Constance Selina. Many things are also reduced. We don't know what to read, how to read, when to read, that also we don't know. If you don't know this, if you don't know the answers of calorimetry, radioactivity, many more, people, you have to join the Telegram, you have to join the WhatsApp group where I will be sharing all kind of answers of exercise questions of calorimetry, radioactivity, sound, electricity, and EMI, household circuits, many more people. Clear, children? And after that, you have to get SRM sir notes. You have to just have a SRM sir notes. You have to just have a recap. You have to have an overlook. Now you people might be thinking, sir, we don't have SRM sir notes. Again, why to make it delay? You can go to the description box where you people can find SRM sir notes, one of the best notes you people can find, where you people can recap everything. Then after, important question series, which I will be letting you know in case of Unacademy, which I will be letting you know while coming to the videos again and again. And people, please do watch all kind of video if you want to get important question of every chapter. Every chapter का important question लेकर आएंगे. Every chapter का what you need to do, what you not need to do, what are the important question, where to invest a lots of time, that also I will be coming in the session. People, clear? And people, please do join the session tomorrow at Unacademy Academy, after joining the session after Unacademy, after 1 hour 2 hour तुम्हें एक वहां पर मिलेगा PDF, डाउनलोड PDF का ऑप्शन होगा और एक PDF होगा। PDF में क्लिक करोगे, वहां पर जाओगे विथ एनिमेशन को क्लिक करोगे, वेयर यू पीपल कैन गेट एवरीथिंग open clearly which I mean to say, people, you can get all kind of PDF free of cost. People, everything is free of cost. Now many people might be thinking, sir, which chapter, what is the weightage of the chapter, which chapter to start, how to make the end, कौन सा chapter ज्यादा importance देना है। People, if you are following me, if you have followed me in case of every subject, I can guarantee you somehow you people might be scoring more than your expected marks. Again, I am going to say, you have to give a lots of importance to the calorimetry, you have to give a lots of importance to the radioactivity, people. If somehow you are giving a lots of importance to the electricity as well as to the other chapter EMI and all, people, no, you have to give it because they are unit, एक unit wise पढ़ना बेटा। जैसे unit wise तुम्हें बहुत सारा important देना है साउंड में, तो बहुत सारा important देना है कैलोरीमेट्री में, तो बहुत सारा important देना है रेडियोएक्टिविटी in, but see, somehow I can say electricity, EMI as well as household circuit that comes in one unit. एक यूनिट में कुछ क्वेश्चन बनेगा, मगर ये सब एक यूनिट है। साउंड इज ए यूनिट, रेडियोएक्टिविटी इज ए यूनिट, कैलोरीमेट्री इज ए यूनिट। जो फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी तुम्हें 3 चैप्टर को कॉम्प्रोमाइज तुम नहीं कर सकते, दैट इज नन अदर देन कैलोरीमेट्री, रेडियोएक्टिविटी एंड साउंड। तुम्हें इस तीन चैप्टर बहुत भोकाल तरीके से पढ़ना है। दैट मींस ऑल काइंड ऑफ एक्सरसाइज क्वेश्चन शुड बी हियर, ऑल काइंड ऑफ एक्सरसाइज क्वेश्चन शुड बी हियर, इंक्लूडिंग द इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन व्हिच आई विल बी प्रोवाइडिंग पीपल। And after that, now many people might be thinking sir numerical में प्रॉब्लम है, वो भी कराएंगे, न्यूमेरिकल प्रॉब्लम है। many people might be thinking sir what will be the important of EMI, क्या है क्या नहीं, वो भी कराएंगे। राइटिंग स्टाइल कराऊंगा, सब कुछ कराऊंगा बेटा। तुम्हें खाली बस ऑल इज वर्स में रहना है, तुम्हें खाली टाइम सबर करना है, सब वीडियो एक एक करके आएगा। यस, थोड़ा 19-20 हो सकता है, टाइम मैनेजमेंट थोड़ा गलत हो सकता है, मगर एवरी वीडियो आ जाएगा पक्का। टाइम टू टाइम में एवरी वीडियो विल बी कमिंग पीपल। यस, कैलोरीमेट्री यू हैव टू डू, रेडियोएक्टिविटी यू हैव टू डू। इफ यू आर नाउ यू वांट टू स्टार्ट समथिंग, व्हिच चैप्टर यू वांट टू स्टार्ट, द फर्स्ट चैप्टर व्हिच यू नीड टू स्टार्ट राइट अवे, दैट इज नन अदर देन कैलोरीमेट्री नंबर 1, और एल्स यू कैन स्टार्ट रेडियोएक्टिविटी। क्या करना है, पहले मुझे कैलोरीमेट्री पहले करूंगा, फिर रेडियोएक्टिविटी करूंगा। अगर तुम्हें रेडियोएक्टिविटी इजी लग रहा है तो रेडियोएक्टिविटी पहले करो, अगर कैलोरीमेट्री इजी लग रहा है तुम वो कर सकते हो। उसके बाद साउंड इज द डार्क होर्स। साउंड को बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट, क्योंकि साउंड में न्यूमेरिकल नहीं है बच्चों। In the sound there is having no numerical, but you can score very good number of marks. Like for an example, reverbation, as I told golden quadrilateral, how to score 40 out of 40 in geography, golden quadrilateral बोला था ना, reverbation, ऐसे कुछ क्वेश्चन चमकेगा। अगर ये क्वेश्चन आया था प्री बोर्ड में, कमेंट करो। अगर क्वेश्चन आया था डिफाइन 1 एम्पियर, कमेंट, you have to do that. If the question comes state the Joule's law of fitting, you have to comment right there. If the question came like define EMI, you have to comment right there. If the question came solenoid, you have to comment right there. If the question came alpha beta gamma का distinguish करो, you have to comment right there. अगर तो क्वेश्चन आया था ऐसे कुछ प्रकार का आइसोटोप, आइसोबार, आइसोटोन्स का डिफाइन बताओ, you have to comment right there. Everything you have to comment if this type of question has come in the exam. Solenoid, again more resistivity, then after what, silver wire, metal wire, so silver wire, copper wire, aluminum wire, and which are and the superconductor, tungsten wire, filament, वो वाला बहुत 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 important. For more details 8.10 people, 8.1 तो somehow I can say 174 page of electricity, 8.10 electricity, superconductor का पहले वाला point, very is important electricity में stick to the topic. That is, first you have to do calorimetry, second you have to do radioactivity, third you have to do sound, fourth you have to do people, fourth you have to do that is none other than EMI. फोर्थ में तुम्हें EMI करना है बच्चों, EMI electromagnetic induction. Then after you have to come to the electricity. After that I have kept at the bottom, that is household circuit मुझे लास्ट में रखा। नाउ यू पीपल माइट बी थिंकिंग सर इंपॉर्टेंट न्यूमेरिकल्स आने वाला है इलेक्ट्रिसिटी से, व्हाई यू हैव केप्ट द टॉप बॉटम, व्हाई हैव केप्ट द बॉटम, सब थोड़ी ना एक वीडियो में सब बता दूंगा तो वीडियो लंबा हो जाएगा बच्चों। तुम देन आफ्टर यू पीपल विल बी सेइंग अरे द वीडियो यू हैव मेड लेंथी, व्हाट समथिंग बेकार बात किए होगे सर। नथिंग इज बेकार, एवरीथिंग इज पॉइंटेड टॉपिक पीपल। इफ द क्वेश्चन हैज कम, व्हाटएवर आई टोल्ड पीपल, यू हैव टू कमेंट राइट देयर, यस सर दिस आर द क्वेश्चन इन माय प्रीलिम एग्जाम और in my pre-board exam. Let me say the important, the hot question, the top 10 to 15 question which you need to do, which you need to read. That is none other than specific heat capacity, latent heat capacity. वो वाला important question आना चाहिए, आया भी होगा और न्यूमेरिकल भी आया होगा in case I hope so. Again to the important question, EMI right hand thumb rule, left hand thumb rule, function of splittering carbon versus armature. बहुत तगड़ा सवाल हो वाला people. Then after define a 1 ampere graph, VI graph तुम्हें करना है in case of electricity का बात कर रहा हूँ, VI graph top 10 बात कर रहा हूँ, important question. VI graph you have to do as I told 8.10 in case of electricity. If I am going so fast, pause करो, रट्टा मारो, लिख लो page number 173 or else I can say 172. 8.10 पॉइंट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी में सुपर कंडक्टर, वो वाला बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट बच्चों करना है. उसके बाद कमिंग टू द साउंड रिवर्बरेशन, मोर साउंड इट इज देयर व्हिच I will be keeping suspense because I will be keeping another stronger in the next session. Coming to the alpha beta rays particle का distinguish isotope, isoton, isomer बोला ना, isoton, isotopes, isomer तो chemistry, isobar that is distinguish between emission, alpha beta emission वाला भी कुछ आ सकता है एग्जाम में बेटा. And these are the show, yes these are the show will be coming the exam. Temperature heat का distinguish and in case of light Joule's law of heating and these are the show and many more I forgetting people. I'll coming in the नोट करके लेकर आऊंगा. डिजिटल बोर्ड नहीं है, नहीं तो सब कुछ यहाँ पर ही होता, एक सेशन में सब कुछ खत्म हो जाता, मगर क्या करें, आई विल बी कमिंग स्ट्रॉन्गर इन द नेक्स्ट सेशन. टिल देन कीप च्यूरिंग योरसेल्फ. व्हाट आर द टॉपिक्स आई हैव टोल्ड, स्टार्ट रीडिंग दैट. फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी कैलोरीमेट्री, सेकंड प्रायोरिटी रेडियोएक्टिविटी, थर्ड प्रायोरिटी साउंड, फोर्थ प्रायोरिटी EMI, फिफ्थ प्रायोरिटी इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, सिक्स्थ प्रायोरिटी साउंड, sorry, sixth priority household circuit. Clear children? Signing off for the today, coming strong in the next session people, the important series session. Do not go anywhere. Thank you. Cheers.